good quality granola bar and some water before I go outside, because sometimes when I wake up I don't want to go outside after eating. And look at my lemon balm. They look so nice, but my mint is not looking nice. It looks brown. My papalo. There's water in it, so I don't know why it looks like that. There's my strawberry mint. There's like black leaves underneath it. Right here, I found little, and there's like an orange one, but I don't know. There was more than this, but maybe the rain washed it off. There's a spider there too. Spider is fine. And then there's another egg right there. It could be the hornworm caterpillar eggs, since it's on a pepper plant. And the tomatoes also have them. Look at that. Something's here. There's my epazote. The epazote is drought tolerant, but it looks healthy. There's nothing.
Besides someone eating it.
Only one spot has a hole.
2 spots.
One more spot. That's a bigger one. No more than that. Maybe they didn't like it. It looks so nice though. So we got to take off those green eggs. There's a little mushroom. I'm just gonna use gloves and take this off since I don't like touching bugs, even the eggs. And just slowly scrape it off. I'm just looking at the bottom of all these. Make sure there's no eggs. There's an egg. There's another spider web right there. I don't know if you can see that from there. It's a whole spider web down there. Okay, I was looking down here for more eggs. What is... There's the caterpillar. Yeah. Can I catch it? Oh no, it's hanging. How did I get it? Oh, it's hanging off of my finger. Hello, caterpillar. It's green with like an orange head. Ew. Ew, what do I do with you? We're looking at the middle tomato plant. You know, I learned there's a caterpillar that camouflages itself as bird poop. I think that is actually bird poop though. It is.
Taste it.
Ew. Did you find more eggs?
2.
And I think this one has like, what's it called? Leaf speck. So I need to cut those off before it spreads everywhere else. There's little eggs everywhere. I saw more before. I've been trying to do some organic gardening, and this is one of the ways that I deal with the eggs on the plants. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.